And we have Mike at the wall in Japan. We're going to start with him. Mike.
Exporters falling here on concern that a report later today is going to show US companies shed 325,000 jobs last month. That's non-farm payrolls. Automakers leading declines among the topic's industry groups. We've got Toyota down by 2.2%. Interestingly, Toyota just revamping its operations in North America to make 3 of the managers there directly responsible for production so that they can meet the needs more quickly than having that approved by Japan. However, not helping the share price today. Also, Nissan sliding by 2.3%. Now, Kirin Brewery shares rising. Nomura raising its share rating to buy from neutral. Japan's biggest drinks maker lifting its full-year profit forecast 5.3%. First half profit was down 82%. That was still better than the company forecast. Shares up by 1%. Paul, you were talking about Qingdao results earlier. Asahi not getting any benefit from Qingdao's biggest gain in profits in 2 years, even though it owns just under 40% of that company. Pioneer's shares dropping as much as 5.3%. The car navigator maker reporting its 6th straight loss. Now, the Mainichi newspaper says Pioneer wants to raise about $420 million from 5 potential investors. They include, according to the paper, Morgan Stanley and Blackstone, the investment fund. President Susumu Kotani saying in April that he did want to raise money from Japan's government and also business partners in order to repay debt.
We're still looking at whether we need government assistance. That doesn't mean we'll be making a decision anytime soon. We still have a lot of support from our banks, and our first quarter results were better than expected, so we don't need extra funds for a while.
And Kubota is leading declines in machinery makers with the steepest drop in nearly 6 months. Shares down 6.25%. First quarter profit down by 72% on lower sales of farming and construction equipment. We are seeing other machinery makers heading lower. Daikin, the aircon maker, down 4.3%. The recession may be showing signs of ending, but we aren't seeing companies raise capex. We're hearing from them in their latest quarterly earnings that they are cutting spending, so that's not good news for machinery makers. Paul, back to you.
Absolutely. A lot of caution out there at the moment. Mike, thank you very much indeed for that. Mike Fern there in Tokyo.